Starting around 27 September 2023, Algorand most certainly is exchanging at $0.096 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.89% in especially most recent 60 minutes, or so they essentially thought. Algo in every way that really matters has a complete market cap of $750,724,782 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $18,095,628, which essentially is genuinely critical. This especially makes Algorand, Algo, lovely positioning at 45 in the cryptographic money market, beautiful as opposed to mainstream thinking. On the off chance that you generally are a crypto financial backer and considering what in a real sense is the Algorand cost expectation end of 2023, what will Algorand truly be by and large worth in 2023, which in a real sense is very critical. Is Algorand a genuinely wise speculation or sort of worth purchasing in 2023? Will Algo cost especially outperform its unequaled high in a kind of large manner? These in every practical sense are our Algorand cost expectations for Algo's future in a very huge manner. Algorand, Algo, value expectation 2023, as per the Algorand conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Algo cost for the most part is supposed to basically cross a sort of normal value level of 12 cents, the normal pretty least value worth of Algorand toward the finish of the fundamentally current year ought to sort of be 12 cents in an unobtrusive manner. Besides, Algo can, all things considered, arrive at a truly greatest value level of 13 cents in an especially significant manner. Algorand value figure August 2023. In August 2023, the truly greatest cost for Algorand could in a real sense stretch around 11 cents, all things considered. Further appearance how starting around 27 September 2023, Algorand generally is exchanging at $0.096 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.89% in fundamentally most recent 60 minutes, extremely as opposed to prevalent thinking. Moreover, the minimum cost of Algo in August 2023, especially is 10 cents, with a for the most part normal cost of 11 cents, which really shows that Algo fundamentally has a very complete market cap of $750,724,782, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $18,095,628 in an unobtrusive manner. Algorand value conjecture September 2023. In September 2023, the cost of Algorand generally is supposed to for the most part be at around a genuinely least of 11 cents in an unobtrusive manner. Algorand cost can for the most part arrive at a by and large limit of 12 cents, with the in every way that really matters, normal cost of 11 cents in United States dollars amazingly. Algorand value estimate October 2023. In October 2023, the cost of Algorand especially is supposed to really be at around a genuinely least of 11 cents in a kind of significant manner. Algorand cost can in every way that really matters arrive at a kind of limit of 12 cents, with the for the most part normal cost of 12 cents in United States dollars in an essentially enormous way. Algorand value expectation November 2023. The cost of Algorand generally is for the most part anticipated to really reach at a kind of least worth of 12 cents in November 2023, so in every practical sense, is Algorand a wise speculation or essentially worth purchasing in 2023 in an especially significant manner? The Algo cost could especially arrive at a by and large greatest worth of 13 cents, with the really normal exchanging worth of 12 cents all through 2023. Showing how Algo in a real sense has an exceptionally all-out market cap of $750,724,782 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $18,095,628, truly in spite of mainstream thinking. Algorand, Algo, value gauge December 2023. For December 2023, the cost of Algorand explicitly is somewhat anticipated to basically arrive at a really normal cost of 12 cents, while the coin could exchange between a genuinely limit of 13 cents and a very least of 12 cents, beautiful as opposed to mainstream thinking. Algorand by and large past value examination in the specific beyond 24 hours, the crypto generally has been generally diminished by 1.6% in its kind of current worth, fundamentally in opposition to mainstream thinking. Assuming we in a real sense look at the in every way that really matters, current market cap of the Algo with yesterday's, you can explicitly see that the market cap truly is likewise down, showing how Algorand value expectation November 2023 The cost of Algorand for the most part is in a real sense anticipated to reach at an extremely least worth of 12 cents in November 2023. So truly is Algorand a kind of wise speculation or sort of worth purchasing in 2023, or so they truly thought. From absolute most recent 7 days the Algo basically was in great vertical pattern and expanded by 1.34%, exhibiting that moreover, the minimum cost of Algo in August 2023 certainly is 10 cents with an in every practical sense, normal cost of 11 cents. Which really shows that Algo sort of has a by and large all-out market cap of $750,724,782 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $18,095,628 in a by and large enormous manner. Algorand fundamentally has shown areas of strength for really potential recently, and this could be certainly great chance to for the most part dive right in and contribute, exhibiting how might Algo cost basically outperform its unequaled especially high in an extremely enormous manner. Inside the absolute most recent 1 month, the cost of Algo by and large diminished by 59.299%, disposing of an astounding genuinely normal amount of 14 cents from its sort of current worth, exhibiting how in the event that you generally are a crypto financial backer and considering what is the Algorand cost expectation end of 2023, what will Algorand basically be somewhat worth in 2023? Which in every practical sense is genuinely critical. This unexpected down certainly implies that the coin sort of is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can generally be an excellent basically purchase an open door for essentially speedy venture, exhibiting how these in a real sense are our Algorand cost expectations for Algo's future in a quite large manner. The 90 days cost change truly is near 60.78%, and the value sort of flowed from a genuinely least kind of typical cost of 23 cents to in every practical sense, greatest exceptionally normal cost of 25 cents in the truly beyond 90 days, which especially demonstrates the way that Algorand cost can generally arrive at a genuinely limit of 12 cents, with the typical cost of 11 cents in United States dollars. Certainly in spite of mainstream thinking. Algorand really is somewhere near 48.74%, with the especially greatest pretty typical cost of the coin, especially was around 17 cents, and the sort of least most certainly normal cost of in a real sense was around 16 cents in genuinely beyond 4 months. Exhibiting how fundamentally is Algorand an especially wise venture or especially worth purchasing in 2023 in a kind of significant manner. Algorand value conjecture 2023 facts what will basically be Algorand essentially worth in 2023, which sort of is very critical. The Algo cost essentially is determined to especially arrive at a genuinely greatest degree of 13 cents, with in every practical sense, least cost of 12 cents, toward the finish of 2023 in a really significant manner. Does Algorand by and large have a future, kind of in opposition to mainstream thinking? As far as value, Algorand fundamentally has an extraordinary certainly potential to really arrive at new levels, showing how these generally are our Algorand cost expectations for Algo's future, which for the most part is very huge. It explicitly is